Hello everybody. In this video, I'll give you a quick tip on how to easily start the fire in one of these Aladdin waste oil heater. I know in the instruction it tells you to put waste oil into the pan and light it, but if anybody has one of these heater and has tried that, you know that it takes forever to get the oil to start burning. So here's a tip on how I get my waste oil heater started. I usually start by pulling it open, pulling the tray out. Usually, most time after a burn, you have to clean it out. I already cleaned this one, so I'll just show you how to start it here. What I usually do is start by taking an old shop rag, paper towel, something like that, and put it into the tray. And then I start mine with some diesel fuel. So you can buy regular diesel, off-road diesel. And here's usually how I do it. Usually pour it in. Usually pour it in over the rag. I usually fill mine maybe like 1/8 of an inch off the bottom of the tray. You don't need too much to start this fire, but usually just get the rag wet, and then you can put it in and light it. And usually just take it, stick it in the slot. I usually try to push it in like almost all the way, and then take my blowtorch. I already have it started here, and then just start the fire. And then you can see the paper lights really quick, and then just push it in the rest of the way, and then close the door, and then start the unit. Mostly on the first start, your unit would come like this with both lights on. What I would do is press the reset button that triggers the unit on, and then turn the fan on, and then the unit will start. And then once it'll run for a little bit, it'll come up to temperature, then the fan will run. But it takes a couple minutes. I'll let it run for a little bit, and then I'll show you the result. Another advice I would have for you guys, if you're just starting to set one of these heater units up, and then you're lighting a fire, and then you don't have enough fuel in it to start the cycle, and then it dies out, make sure you let the unit cool down and the tray cool down before you add more fuel into it. Because if you add more fuel in it while it's hot, the fuel will vaporize, and then once you try to light it, it would just explode in your face. So be real careful if you have it lit and then it dies out. Make sure you let that tray cool off, or open a door, put a fan on it or something. Make sure that tray comes down to temperature, because if not, you're going to have an issue with fuel vaporizing before you light it again. So just be real careful, guys. I let this unit run for like 5 minutes. It should come up to temperature, and then the fan will start to run to blow the heat, and then the pump on the side will start pumping. Just pumping there. It's probably hard to see, but other than that, this unit works pretty good. I have a pretty big garage. It's probably around over 2,000 square feet, and then keeps it pretty warm. It's definitely, my garage is not insulated. You can tell it's really open, but for what it is and for free heat, it works pretty good. Okay, guys, it's been about 5 minutes. Unit just started up. Fan's starting to run. If you can see, the chamber is now, 500 degrees. It'll get around 700, and then it'll stay running. As long as you have the thermostat on high, it'll stay running until you stop it. Overall, it works really good, I think, for what it is. If you find this video helpful, feel free to like and share. And if you want some more content on this waste oil heater, comment below. I'll try to make more videos on it if you guys are interested in it. If you want a video about setting it up, or how to get it working good, just leave me a comment, and I'll try to make another video for you guys. Thanks for watching.